In this video, I will be showing you how to start an online store easy Shopify tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. If you're planning to sell a product or let's just say start this drop shipping, it's very important to simply set up a good store for your customer. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify store, especially if you're a beginner. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser, type Shopify, and then click the start free trial here. You have to answer the following here, like which of this best describes you. And then after that, you can also answer the following, like where would you like to sell? Let's just say an online store. And then what do you want to sell first? Let's just say drop shipping, but actually everything is up to you. So this is what Shopify looks like. Now to start creating your Shopify store, you have to go to themes and then kind of customize whatever the current theme you have. For example, this Dawn theme right here. You have to click customize, and to start, you can tap this gear icon right here. Then you will see here theme settings such as logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, and so on. So feel free to change the colors of your background, colors of your text, colors of your font. So everything is up to you. It should be, of course, related to your products. And then after that, you can also change the typography, like the font of your Shopify store. Okay, you can also change the size. So you just have to select from any of the system fonts right here. And then once you're done, you can move on to other features and other settings here. So to start, let's just add a logo to your Shopify store. So if you want to add some slideshow to your Shopify store, then you can just simply drag any of these features right here, like image slide or, slideshow. You can put it up so that people can see it right here. So whatever you put up or below this template, the people can see it first. So let's start with adding a logo to your Shopify store. So tap header here and then select image and then add your logo. Now, if you don't know how to create or where to edit some logos or create logos, I highly suggest that you try this Canva. Canva is a free editing tool, and this is where I created my logo here. You can edit, change the font size, font style, and everything. Okay, and then and that's it. Now, if you want to also change your banner here, what you want to do, simply click this and then go to select image and then kindly add the image from your device. Same thing. If you don't know where to edit your image or background image, then I highly suggest that you go back to Canva and then add or create your banner or create your logo. Everything is up to you. Here you can change anything. You can add elements. You can add pictures. You can change the font size, font style. You can change the color. You can replace this picture with your product's picture right here. So everything is up to you. Once done, all you have to do is to download it and then add this to your Shopify store. Select image right here, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so let me delete this image slide first. Okay, so inside the image, you can see here some text. And what you want to do is to change this, whatever you want. For example, if you want to change this to the name of your Shopify store or your tagline, everything is up to you. So this time I want to change this like this, and then you can change the heading size to small, medium, and large. And don't forget to tap save. With the shop all button or buttons, you can change that. Everything is up to you. And then you can add a second button if you want. So you can also change the format. You can tap bold, italic, or you can also add underline here. Okay, so this is the result, and feel free to change. But once you're done, please do not forget to tap save. So whatever you change here will be saved automatically. Okay, so that's how you add image, logo, and then text to your template right here. Okay, so once you're done with this, then like what I've said earlier, do not forget to save. You can change it anytime you want to. Okay, so we're done with this. Now let's move on to adding some text below. Let's just say you want to highlight something about your store that can entice or captivate people or customers' attention. You can add the description or anything about your product here. Okay, if it's legit, original, authentic, everything is up to you. You can add it to your description and then tap save. Okay, so people can see it below your Shopify store's name. Now, to add product, let's move on to adding products. All you have to do is to go back to your Shopify. Now, let's just say if you do this drop shipping, like, connect your Shopify to Shopify, you don't need to worry anything because customers can just simply go to your Shopify store, add that item or product, then Printify will be notified that someone added that product from your store. Okay. But if you want to add product, like you have your own product, you can tap this add product button here. And then this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple. You just have to add a title and the name of your product. You can add the description. Either ways, you can just simply ask Shopify to generate a product description for you. You just have to type something here about your product. And then you can keep this one if you want to use that. Upload a photo. Okay, add some price here, shipping, weight, okay, search engine listing. You can edit this one actually if you want to. Okay, and then yes, after that, you can simply tap save. And that's how you add product here on Shopify. Very easy. You can change the description here anytime, and you will see it right here. Customer can see that product that you have added when they visit to your Shopify store. Speaking of collection, in order for you to create collection, you just have to tap collection, click create collection, add some title here. Same thing, add some product description or collection description. Okay, so you can choose from collection type, manual or automated, and then do not forget to add the image. Let's just say the best image from your collection. Okay, so I'm going to add an image here. And then after that, what you want to do is to just simply click save. You can add some information if you wanted to here. Okay, and then yeah, once done, you can now tap save. Now, in order for you to add products on this collection, tap this collection again, and then tap the collection, next collection here, and then you can add the product by just simply clicking this or browse. Then you will see the products under your store, specifically bags, okay, because this is a bag collection. So you can add all the bags under your Shopify store or inside your store. Okay, and then after that, what you want to do is just simply, filter this one best selling so that the customer can see best selling products here, best selling bags, or okay, let's just say newest, or let's just say highest or expensive, something like that, or not lowest price, highest price. Everything is up to you. Okay, so that's what it looked like. Now, after adding products and collection, let's go back to your Shopify store and let's add some featured collection right here. So tap this plus button and then all you have to do is just simply change this one if you want to. Okay. Now you have to scroll down, tap this, and then select that bag collection. Tap select and then click save. Do not forget to click save. And that's how you add featured collection on your Shopify. Okay, you just have to tap the plus button and then click add block. And then this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add more like collection list, image with text, just click again this plus button here and then add this image with text. Let's just say you wanted to add an image here with the product's description. Let's just say this is the best product you have. So you want to highlight this, you want your customer to see this, okay, so that they will be motivated or encouraged to buy to your store. So you can just simply add the product and then add something here. Okay, you can change the content by adding or tapping bold, italic, text style, body, or everything is up to you. Then once done, all you have to do is to click save. Okay, so now if you want to add like collection list, because aside from that collection, you have also other collection on your Shopify store. Again, you have to tap this add section here, this plus button, and then tap this collection list. And then here you can simply add your collection list. So what you want to do is to simply tap this collection name. Okay, tap the selection or select collection rather. Tap this bag collection. And then here tap this home page, which is your perfume. Do not forget to tap save before you go on. Okay. Okay, tap save. And then for this one, select collection and then shoes, and then that's it, and tap save. Now you have your collection list here. Okay, so that's how you showcase or highlight your products here on your Shopify store. So we have feature collection, image with text, and collection list. Okay, so again, do not forget to tap save so that everything you have changed here will be saved automatically. Okay, now for buttons or call to action, you can change all the buttons here you can add. For example, if you want to add like blogs, if you want to add like policy, you can add second button label here. In order for you to encourage or, if you're a customer, you're looking for something that can really make you buy to the store. Okay. So if you're the store owner, all you have to do is simply add something like discounts. Okay. You must also provide a high quality images. And also apart from that, you must also add something like customer review so that if a customer visit to your Shopify store, to your store specifically, then they would know that this product is okay, this is on demand, okay, this is saleable. So that's the good thing or the keys in order for you to gain or get high sales on your first product here on your Shopify. Okay, now let's move on to adding something on your Shopify page. So, for example, if you want to add something on your main page, like not only home, catalog, or contact, you want to add something like terms and policies, you want to add blogs, you want to add other websites, like if you have other websites aside from this, or if you're selling this product to other website, you can go to this navigation main menu and add menu here. So all you have to do is to add this, and then you can simply add some links in this section right here. Okay, so like what I'm doing right now, I'm adding some policies. If I want to add some policies here so that the customer will know my product policy or store policy. So you just have to go and add this main menu here and add menu item. And don't forget to tap save. Now, let's just say you want to add shipping and returns, but you want to add it at the bottom, like in the very last of your home page. So don't worry, all you have to do is just simply go to footer menu. Okay, this one here, tap this one, and then add menu item here. Okay, but you have to add pages first. I mean, you cannot add that directly. You have to add pages first. So here you can add shipping and returns. And of course, you have to add a description here, like your returns policy. Okay, you can add your shipping policy. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I forgot to type return. Okay, and then to add that, what you want to do is simply go to your footer right here and then tap menu. So as you can see, I haven't added it yet. So let me go back again and add it. And when I tap menu here, then here, I have already this shipping and returns. Okay, so that's how you add shipping and returns under your footer menu. So let's go to our settings right here. So if you want to select your countries, or if you want to, edit or be specific with the countries or regions where you want to sell your product, you can go to markets. Okay. And then if you want to add some logos, if you want to add some links here, like your Facebook, your Instagram, your other social media accounts, you just have to link or paste your URL here. Okay, so for shipping and delivery, if you want to change or if you want to add your shipping rate, expected delivery, and so on, and package, you just have to go to this shipping and delivery. And then for payments, if you want to add your payment method, you just have to go to payments here. Choose a provider like Stripe or Visa, MasterCard, everything is up to you. Okay, you can also add your PayPal here, which is for me the most or the easiest way. You can also do this manual payment method. So you just have to simply add some information here when it comes to your payment. For checkout, it is highly recommended that you leave this unchecked so that the customers would not be hassled. And lastly, we have here domain. So if you want to buy a domain, if you want to connect your existing domain, you just have to go to domains and add it right here. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Now, if you want to see or view your store, you can tap this view store right here. And then finally, you can see everything. This is your main menu. Featured collections, collection list. Okay, under catalog, you will see here the features and options under catalog with your products. So this is how simple it is to start your Shopify store as a beginner. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.